How are you doing, my friends? This is Uncle Frank again, and this time I'm gonna teach you how to draw a cute version of Harry Potter. So here I'm gonna start with a circle, big one for the head, and his body is just gonna be an oval, which is gonna be slightly smaller than the head, like this. And then here's how I'm gonna draw the legs. Although the legs are not gonna be shown in the final sketch or in the final drawing, I think it's always a good idea to have a reference to know where they are. So for the legs, I just draw a line straight from the belly. I think I'm gonna divide the head in the middle, like this. So he's gonna be looking kind of to the side. And I'm gonna make an arm extended here, and the other arm is gonna be going down. It's gonna be pointing down. So this is the hand. Yes, the arms are gonna be this thin, and I'm just gonna mark where the other hand's gonna be. Okay. Guess I'm gonna draw his wand on in one hand, and I'm gonna draw Hedwig on the other. It's just gonna be an oval and a circle for now. Okay, so here are the wings, and the claws are gonna go down here. All right. Now, guys, I'm going to show you how I start making a cute character. And the expression of a cute character starts with knowing that the forehead is going to be much bigger than a normal character. So I marked the line here in the middle, and that's gonna be the nose. It doesn't have to be. Some people prefer to make a line for the eyes. I prefer making a line for the nose. But feel free, if you feel more comfortable about doing the eyes first, that's okay. So here I'm gonna give him a simple smile, and now I'm gonna shape his face like this. Like I said before, it's gonna be a cute character, and consequently the cheeks are gonna be very well pronounced. So the ears. So this is gonna be the scar, and of course we're gonna have an opening in his hair to show the scar. So I'm gonna sketch the hair very quickly, like this. I'm gonna draw a few loose hairs here on top, and like I said, the upper part of his head is gonna be much bigger. And now for the glasses, I'm just going to draw a circle around his eye. Okay, connect just like I would do with any pair of glasses, and the legs are gonna go to his ear. Gonna go behind his ear. Now he's gonna be wearing a scarf. So his scarf is just a curved line coming from one side of the neck, going right above the shoulder on the other side. So I decided that he's gonna be wearing a robe, and I'm just gonna put the robe on top of his kind of naked body, like this, a bit more volume on the feet. Well, this line is gonna be very useful in the future. Let's leave it here. And I'm gonna make some folds in fabric just to complement his loose sleeves. Okay, this is one of them. The other one's gonna follow the same pattern, but of course I'm not gonna show the inside this time. We're looking from a different angle. So with this inverted S, I draw the tip of the scarf and a few lines here. It's gonna be striped, so a few stripes here. So this is how I'll draw the hand. I'm going to start with the thumb, and after that I'm just going to draw the other fingers, one or two behind the thumb. So for this one, nothing complicated. I'm just going to make a few lines. His fist is going to be closed. And now for Hedwig, just gonna make any generic cartoon owl. So a triangle for the beak, 2 circles for the eyes, and then what would be eyebrows. And don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to the channel. When you give us a like, YouTube understands that people are enjoying the material, and then it will be recommended to more people. So please subscribe to our channel, leave us a like, and I'm sure you're gonna find something new you enjoy. Thank you very much in advance. Now I'm gonna make a few feathers on the chest, like this, a few ones. Very good, so Hedwig is ready. Just have to refine the shoes now. And now I'm just gonna erase a few lines and see if I'm satisfied with it. So, okay, everything seems to be in order. Now it's time to get the marker, and let's do the line work. So just because this is a simple drawing, I'm going to start putting the pure color on the shady areas, like this. Wherever there is a shadow, we're just going to start the color, and then we're gonna drag the paint with water to the rest of the face. So you see how the other areas are gonna be much lighter, like this. So I noticed his hair's got some different tones of black and brown, and that's what we're going for. Just remember, here I'm preserving the whites from the paper. So I'm gonna paint his gloves gray, and I'm forced to put some white dots just to emphasize they are gloves. So for the scarf, I'm gonna use pure colors for the shadowy areas, and I'm just going to drag with water to the rest of the areas, like this. It looks good enough. Now we're gonna use lots of black, because most of his clothes are black. So again, don't forget to preserve the whites from the paper. In this case I'm not using any gray, just the colors I drag with water. And for hand painting, I'm just gonna use some gray this time. Some brown black for the wand. And there you go, our cute Harry Potter is ready. I hope you have enjoyed the video. I would like you to try it yourself. These kinds of cute drawings are just like a massage. So guys, I hope you have liked the video. Don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.